Hello everyone, my name is Srimant Kumar. You're watching some basic tech, and in earlier video I was just talking about how you can install Ansible, and in this video I will just talk about connection between two server and system, and as a client machine, and second thing, how you can just run your playbook as a YAML file. So how you can just create and how you can use. So first of all, for connection, uh, let me just tell you. First of things, once you install Ansible, second thing, you need to check systemctl status SSD in both client and server system. So this is my server system, and second one I have also installed. This is my client machine, and I have mentioned here the client. So just for confirming purposes, and let me go to the server machine. So first installation, second SSH confirmation, and third thing you need to just confirm is that you need to just copy the SSH keygen public key from server to client machine for connectivity purpose and all that. So the command is SSH hyphen copy hyphen I ID. The location should be like this: SSH slash ID. So this will be the process, and dot sh. If it is not working, then you need to just go on the particular location. Suppose uh, pwd, yes, you are here, and here you need to type cd.ssh. Then you can see the public file, and for creation public file, ssh hyphen keygen ssh. Okay, so ssh hyphen keygen, you can see the second one option is the keygen, and if you press enter, it is asking for the confirmation, and you just need to hit enter, and it will create the ssh key file without any password and something. So only just you need to paste this through this command ssh. I will not repeat this command, but I am just typing here. Let me just type hash first: ssh hyphen copy hyphen id, and then hyphen I for inventory file, so for a file selection, and then the public file name that will create here, this one, id underscore rsa underscore pub, and then uh, root at the rate system ip, and then hit enter. It will ask the client password, and you can just provide, and then it will show the complete. And if it is completed now successfully, then you can check Ansible all hyphen m module for ping. Okay, it is not showing anything, but okay, sorry, I just used hash. So Ansible all hyphen m ping. Yes, so you can see I have created the client.com as a host name, so it is pinging now, and it is connected with my machine. So let's go with the YAML file. So once you are connected, you can just, I'm just going to the particular directory where I have created Ansible files. So okay, I have created one of my inventory file where I have updated the username, password, and all things. Let me just show you. Cat inventory. So this is the process. I will create the different video and update you about all things about the inventory file, but let me just brief you. I have updated the host name kind of thing through we can denote this machine without entering the IP address and all things. We can just type this much of information, and it will be work with this amount of information. So IP I have mentioned here, and then password and root user. Okay, So let's go with uh, you know YAML file. So I'm just going to open one of YAML file, vi this one, tiny. So I have created multiple YAML files here. So I'm just going to describe about how you can create your own YAML file. So if you are going to use something at your end, so first you need to type three hyphens. So it will just this file, Ansible will understand this is the YAML file, and also you need to uh, create the file extension should be .yaml. And then second thing, you can see here we have used the hyphen. So suppose I'm going to add some more commands and create, but the main thing is that first we need to type name and colon and then something. It is depends upon your own requirement what you are going to mention in your name, and then second post. So if you have a specific client machine, suppose one or two or something, so you can mention that particular name, otherwise you can type all. So the all means it will communicate with the all client machines, and become yes means if you type become colon yes, then it means we are providing the root access to install, modify something information inside the client machine. And the fourth thing is the task. The task is nothing but you need to just only type task, and then we are going to free to use all modules. Modules means a kind of a a set of commands that will be used to modify something, and that is not a big deal to understand. Suppose you are going to use touch, suppose you are going to use ping, kill, or create, mkdir, chmod, and all things. These are just comes under modules. So if you are going to use anything, so you need to just mention task, then colon, and then type hyphen again, and then name. Okay, so this will just create. Here you need to just put name and then the command name. So you can see here I have given the command and module, and the module is touch. Touch means we are going to create a kind of file. Okay, so I'm just typing one more hyphen name and C. So you can see I'm just going to mentioning the hyphen again. Means this command will be end of this line, and then the next command will be start from here. So uh, folder creation, and then command colon and mkdir. Okay, I'm going to create in a temp directory again. So hyphen, sorry, slash tmp slash test folder. Okay, and uh, then hyphen name file creation, then command touch slash tmp slash uh, file find status. Okay, so now, so you can see here I just only mentioned the set of information that is the comes under YAML file. So uh, one thing that you need to just consider, hyphen, you need to just, if you are going to add something command from this much of line, then you need to follow this routine. And if you just come to this section, then you need to follow this routine. And if you are just went to the second then other section, uh, suppose you are here and typing name and then something. Okay, and then yes, you typed something command yum. Okay, so yum means we are going to something install or uninstall. So if I'm just going to install, then we again need to, mention hyphen and then uh, the state or something. So I'm not going to write now to show you, because this is for a file and folder creation. I will show you in the different file. So let me just save it, and you can see this is .yaml extension. So make sure you should have to create the .yaml extension file, and now I'm just going to run it and will verify in the client machine whether it is working or not. So for if you have any YAML file, then while running you need to type Ansible hyphen okay, playbook, and then hyphen I for inventory file selection. So I'm just going to select this inventory file, and then we need to select the file, YAML file, where we have just created a kind of set of command for modification in client machine. I'm just hitting enter, and let's see what happens. And one more thing, if you're not sure your commands are correctly just typed or not, so we can also verify through you know uh, one of method for hyphen check. So we can just check it, but you can see three things changed, and okay, four things means files is also just done. So it is considering answer gathering facts. So these things has been done, task 1, task 2, task 3. So let me just come to the client machine and verify whether all things has been done or not. So I'm going to temp directory again, sorry, temp, okay, and ls. So we just type the file, and then find status, that was also touch file, and then taste folder. So if we type ll, and you can see the current time is 12:05, sorry, 22:05, and here the same file is created now, but the time zone of my virtual machine is different, so it is not showing the same one. Okay, so the okay, so I just show you how you can create your own YAML file, and how you can just run from server 1 to client machine for just checking purpose. But this is like a kind of a testing, and you can just communicate between and you can just play between server to client. But in the production environment, we need to follow the different way. That is the kind of different architecture. So I will show you next video. So uh, if you like the video, kindly share, subscribe, and like. So I'm just creating a one by one, and thank you so much.